Hi everyone, I'm Emma Leininger. I'm on the social media team here at Vera Bradley, and I'm so excited to do a little unboxing with you today of our new Valentine's Day collection in the pattern Imperial Hearts. These are such great gifts to give to that special someone in your life, and I'm gonna go ahead and just get right into it. So the first thing we have here is this really cute, adorable plush pillow. This makes a great decorative pillow for your living room. You could also toss it on your bed to make your room a little bit more holiday themed. The next thing I have in here is our small Vera Tote. I personally love this bag because you know our tried and true style, the Vera Tote, and this is just kind of a condensed down version of that. So if you're going kind of day to night, you just need something that's a little bit more portable, and maybe you don't need all of the things in there like your planner, your laptop. You just need your wallet, your keys, your phone, and a couple extra things. This is the perfect size. I love this front zipper pocket, makes things super easy and accessible. Maybe you throw some gum in there, some hand sanitizer, and then of course that front slip pocket is perfect for things that you need to reach really quickly, like your keys. And then you still have all of that same functionality on the inside as you do with the Vera Tote. So don't worry, you won't be missing any of those interior pockets. They're all there for you, all 6 of them. Maybe not full-size wine bottles, but mini champagne bottles or something for that special Valentine's Day. But I personally love this style. It's a great handbag, perfect size for that sort of day to night transition. The next style I'm going to show you is our campus backpack. You know it, you love it. This is a great way to freshen up your style. Love the pattern here on the outside. We have Imperial Hearts red, and then if you take a look on the inside, you have, of course, that pop of pattern. And you have all of this storage. So of course you can put your pens in here. You can maybe put a small notebook. You have space for IDs, your eyeglasses, and then we have all of that space on the inside. So you're gonna be able to fit everything that you need in here. You have these back mesh pockets where again, you can throw in some things that you don't wanna fall to the bottom of your bag. Maybe that be your hand sanitizer, maybe it be a calculator. And then of course, we can't forget about the padded laptop sleeve. This makes this bag super convenient for someone who works or for a student. It's gonna keep your laptop nice and safe and protected. All right, another handbag option and my personal favorite style that we have is the all-in-one crossbody. This is one of my personal favorite styles and a way that I love to refresh my look kind of throughout the season. So it's a great price point and it's called the all-in-one crossbody for a reason. It has everything that you're gonna need. So of course you have this front pocket. This is great for your phone. You can go ahead and slip it in there and it's gonna be nice and easy and accessible. When you open this up on the inside, of course, you have all of your card holders, a place for your ID and a place for bills, but then you have an extra zipper pocket on the back. And this is a great place to store another phone, plus an additional couple cards if you need the extra space, which I think we all do. So I love this bag. I love it for taking to work events. I love it for taking out to a nice dinner, and it just fits everything that I need. And plus, which is one of my favorite qualities about this bag, it can be worn as a shoulder bag, or you can adjust this strap right here, make it longer, and it can be worn as a crossbody, which is such a great way to shift up your style and also can kind of change from outfit to outfit. So I personally love this bag. Again, a great way to kind of get those seasonal patterns and to add something new to your wardrobe. Moving into some apparel, which I think is so precious. Look at this knit scarf. Okay, adorable, and also just a great way to gift this season, and it's a great way to incorporate that sort of Valentine's Day theme into your everyday style. So cute, super warm, and it's gonna keep you nice and toasty as it's kind of edging from winter into spring. And the next thing we have that pairs great with that is our beanie. Look at how adorable this is. It comes in so many different patterns. Another great way to switch up your wardrobe, and it pairs so well with so many things with that light pink. You have the addition of those greens and reds in there. It's very versatile. Finally, one of my favorite items is our plush robe. Oh, these things are so nice. This is such a great item to wear around the house and stay nice and cozy and warm. I wear this, you know, on my days where I'm resting, I'm just watching a movie. It's great when you get out of the shower or the bath and you just want to make sure that you stay nice and bundled up. I never want to take it off. Plus, it has pockets, so you can toss your phone in there as you're walking around the house. Maybe you put a snack in there. Maybe you put the remote in there if you're just having a chill day. This is such a great gifting item, and that is the haul that I have for you guys today. I'm gonna keep this on and go back to my desk, and I will talk to you guys so soon. Thanks for joining me. Bye.